In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove extensions in Microsoft Edge. If you want to enhance your browsing experience or better manage the extensions you already have, you're in the right place. Let's start with how to add a new extension. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. Once it's open, look to the right side of the address bar. If you see the extensions button, it looks like a little puzzle piece, click on it. If you don't see this icon, no worries, just click the Settings and More button, the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Extensions from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Extension section, click Get Extensions from Microsoft Edge. This will open the Microsoft Edge add-on store. Here, you can browse or search for any extension you want. Type the name of the extension in the search bar and look through the results. Once you find one you like, click it and then Add Extension to confirm the installation. After a few moments, your extension will be installed and ready to use. You'll see its icon appear next to the address bar. If it doesn't show up right away, click the Extensions button and pin it so it's always visible. Now, let's move on to removing extensions. Sometimes you might want to get rid of an extension you no longer need or just free up some space. To do that, open Edge, click on Settings and More, then go to Extensions again. You'll see a list of all installed extensions. Find the one you want to manage and you'll have two options. You can either remove it permanently or turn it off temporarily. If you choose Remove, the extension will be deleted completely from your browser. If you just turn it off, it'll stay installed but won't be active until you turn it back on. Another quick way to remove an extension is to right-click its icon next to the address bar and choose Remove from Microsoft Edge. And that's it. That's how you can easily add or remove extensions in Microsoft Edge. I hope this tutorial helps you customize and streamline your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.